Hello everyone and welcome back to the Bull Smart YouTube channel. I am Dhairya Gangwani and in today's video we have an important topic to discuss, and that is how to link your Aadhar and your PAN card. Linking these two vital documents can have several benefits and the government has been urging the citizens to do so. In this video we'll cover how you can link your Aadhar and your PAN card, the challenges you will face if you don't link your Aadhar card and your PAN card, what do you need to do in case your name is wrong on either of the two documents, the benefits of linking your Aadhar and your PAN card, and the government's motive behind coming up with this initiative. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first thing that we're going to discuss is how you can link your Aadhar and your PAN card. First, let's understand the process of linking your Aadhar and PAN. It can be done in two simple ways, both online and offline. So let's talk about them. The first one is the online method. Go to the Income Tax Department's official website. Click on the Link Aadhar option under the Quick Link section. Then provide your PAN, Aadhar number and all the other details. Enter the CAPTCHA code and then click on Link Aadhar. Second one is the offline method. Visit your nearest PAN service center or Aadhar enrollment center. Fill out the necessary form. Form 49A for PAN and Form 119 for Aadhar. Submit the form along with your self-attested copy of your Aadhar card. Now moving on, let's talk about the challenges you can face if you don't link your Aadhar and PAN card. Linking your Aadhar and PAN is crucial for several reasons. Let's explore the challenges you might face if you don't link them. Number 1. Income tax refunds. If your Aadhar and PAN card are not linked, you might face a lot of challenges and difficulties in receiving income tax refunds directly into your bank account. Number 2. Invalid PAN card. Failing to link your PAN and your Aadhar card may lead to invalidation of your PAN card, causing issues during financial transactions. On number 3, we've got government subsidies and benefits. Non-linkage may lead to denial of government subsidies and benefits linked to your PAN and Aadhar. The next thing that we're going to cover in this video is what if you encounter a name mismatch on either of your two documents. Don't worry, we've got you covered and here is how you can tackle this situation. The first one is by correcting your name on the Aadhar card. Visit the Aadhar self-service update portal. Provide your Aadhar number and request for a name correction. Upload supporting documents as a proof of the correct name. Your updated Aadhar card will now be sent to your registered address. The second way is by correcting the name on your PAN card. Download the PAN change request form from the Income Tax Department's website. Fill in the correct name details and attach the supporting documents required. Then go ahead and submit the form to your nearest PAN service center. Next, let's discuss the benefits or advantages of linking your PAN and your Aadhar card. Now that we've understood the process and the challenges involved in the process of linking your Aadhar and your PAN card, now let's explore the benefits of linking your Aadhar and PAN card. Number 1. Easy and seamless transactions. Linking your PAN card and Aadhar makes your financial transactions hassle-free and smooth. Number 2. Elimination of fake IDs. Linking helps in reducing the use of fake PAN cards and identities, promoting financial transparency. Number 3. Targeted government schemes. It enables the government to effectively target the beneficiaries for various welfare schemes. Coming to the last part of today's video, so now let's understand why the government is urging each and every citizen to link their Aadhar and their PAN card. First one is curbing tax evasion. Linking helps in tracking individuals and prevents tax evasion, ensuring that everyone contributes to the nation's growth. Number 2. Digital India Initiative. It aligns with the government's vision of a digitally empowered India where financial transactions are efficient and secure. In conclusion, linking your PAN and Aadhar card is not only a legal requirement, but it is beneficial for you and your country. Don't cause any further delay in completing this simple process. We hope that this video helped you understand the importance of linking your PAN and Aadhar card. If you found the information helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And for more such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.